XC60 D4 Momentum Edition. All-wheel drive automatic SUV in a nice pearl white. Travelled 22,000 kilometres. Nice set of alloy wheels. The car presents in as new condition. Front sensors as well. It's a 2-litre turbo diesel. Represents good value for money as well. 57,999. Let's take a look at the interior. We've got the multi-function steering wheel there, digital dash, big colour screen, that all touch screen, climate air conditioning, and of course it's automatic. You've got 2 keys as well. Leather interior, it's in excellent condition. Side airbags of course. There's your front passenger. It does have logbooks and a great service history. There's your middle row seat, and I'll just show you in the back. Of course it's an automatic tailgate. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.